Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a true icon of American muscle on two wheels, the 2026 Harley Davidson V-Rod. Known for its aggressive styling and powerful performance, the V-Rod has long been a favorite among riders who crave speed, style, and a unique riding experience. The 2026 model carries forward this legacy while bringing modern upgrades that make it more thrilling than ever. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why the V-Rod is making a bold comeback. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Harley Davidson V-Rod boasts a striking new design that blends muscular proportions with sleek modern touches. A reworked front end with LED headlamps gives it a fierce and futuristic look, while sculpted bodywork and low-slung lines highlight its drag-inspired heritage. Updated finishes, bold paint options, and redesigned alloy wheels enhance its street presence, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. Performance and powertrain. At its core, the new V-Rod is powered by a high-performance Revolution Max engine, tuned for stronger low-end torque and exhilarating acceleration. Paired with a refined 6-speed transmission, it delivers smooth yet aggressive power delivery on both city roads and open highways. A lightweight chassis improves handling, while upgraded suspension and dual-disc brakes provide enhanced control and confidence at higher speeds. Safety and technology. Harley Davidson has equipped the 2026 V-Rod with the latest rider assist features. Advanced ABS, traction control, and selectable ride modes make it adaptable to various conditions. A modern digital TFT display offers clear readouts and smartphone connectivity, while integrated navigation and Bluetooth add convenience for long rides. LED lighting improves visibility, completing the balance of power and modern technology. Conclusion. The 2026 Harley Davidson V-Rod is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of style, performance, and innovation. With its aggressive design, powerful engine, and modern tech features, the V-Rod is set to reclaim its place as one of Harley's most exciting rides. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle reviews, updates, and first looks at the machines that define the road.